welcome back to the My Crown of Curls YouTube channel. Today is my first official CurlBox unboxing. This is from the Her Essentials non-subscription CurlBox, and I don't know what's in here, okay? So I am just going to open this on camera. They didn't say what was in it, but it was from Camille Rose Naturals, and Camille Rose Naturals is a great brand. So I figured it was a new line and it was some good stuff. So I went ahead and got it. It would have been way more expensive if you bought the individual products. I think it was $90 US if you bought the individual products, but the box is $40 with, of course, shipping. So, you know, yeah. So let's unbox this bad boy right here. So you're going to see with me what's in here. Oh, okay. Okay. It's the CurlBox. Alright, so I'm just going to open up this box. Let's see. Let me get my box cutter. Let me open it up. And inside the box there is, oh, the box is wet. See that? But this is the Her Essentials card, and that's Camille. This is, gosh, I forgot her name. Yeah, this is the owner of Camille Rose Naturals inside the card. I think some of the products threw away because if you notice right over here, oh yeah, this definitely threw away. Wow. Okay, that's a mess. This is a mess. Okay, so I just took some pictures of the box to let them know that some of my products threw away. But in the box there is the Nourishing Co-Wash. And this is how it looks. So these are all new products like I thought it would be. There is also the Defining Curl Smoothie. There is, and this is soaking wet with product because it threw away. But this is a restorative deep conditioner. And there is also a detangling lotion, also covered in product that threw away. And there is a moisture mist. There's a moisture refreshing mist, which is this is the culprit that all threw away. So yeah, these are the items that came in the CurlBox. So I'm going to be doing a full review of the products when I'm ready. Probably this weekend I'll do a wash day with the products and let you guys know how they worked for me. But I just wanted to come on here to show you guys what came in this month's non-subscription CurlBox. Alright, so yeah, this video did not go how I expected it to go. The box is soaked through and through. Oh boy, you could also see inside. It's a good thing that I did this on camera so that I have video evidence of this. Anyway guys, if you guys have ordered this CurlBox, let me know what you guys think, and do subscribe, thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below, and check out my other videos as well. I will catch you guys in the next one, and do come back for when I review these. Hopefully they send me, you know, replacements. Alright, so do come back, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.